In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter to a dashboard in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to enhance your existing dashboards, adding filters is a great way to make your data more interactive and personalized for your audience. Let's dive right into the steps to help you achieve this in just a few easy stages. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you're on the Tableau homepage, the next step is to log in with your credentials or sign up if you haven't already created an account. Signing up is simple and just requires a few personal details, setting you up for a seamless experience with your data visualization. Next, after logging in, you'll need to decide whether to create a new workbook or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click on the option to create a new workbook. This is where you'll be able to add all your necessary data. However, if you already have a workbook set up, go ahead and open it. The real magic happens in the dashboard. Choose the dashboard where you'd like to add the filter. If you're working with numerous worksheets, you'll want to focus on the one that needs filtering. Once you're in the dashboard, make sure the worksheet you want to filter is either added to or selected within the dashboard view. This ensures that the filters you set up will directly affect the data being displayed. Now, to add the filter itself, you'll notice there's a drop-down arrow on the corner of the worksheet. Click on this arrow, and you'll see an option labeled Filters. This step is crucial, as it allows you to select which filters you want to integrate into your dashboard. Choose one or several filters depending on how you want the data presentation to be refined. Remember, the right filters can make a big difference in data visibility and user interaction. When it comes to displaying these filters, Tableau offers you two options: floating or tiled. A floating filter can be moved and resized, giving you more flexibility with your dashboard layout. On the other hand, a tiled filter stays fixed within the layout, which helps in maintaining a neat and organized appearance. Choose the option that best complements your dashboard's design and functionality. Finally, if your dashboard incorporates multiple worksheets that utilize the same data source, you have the option to apply a filter across several worksheets. This can be particularly useful if you want consistency in filters across various views. And there you have it. Adding filters to your Tableau dashboard is a straightforward process that significantly enhances your data visualization, making it more dynamic and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and happy filtering.